Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about YouTube category. Why YouTube category is important for your video. If you do not select the right category for your video will not get the right audience. And for your video ads, you cannot get the right ads and you cannot earn more money by your video. So I'm going to show you all of the category in YouTube. YouTube have 15 categories itself. So I'm going to open a channel. Now you can see this. I'm open a video details. From here, scroll down a little bit. If you upload a new video, you can also see the category. Now you can see 15 categories itself. So this is our first category, autos and vehicle. If you are review autos, if you are review cars and giving some tutorial about itself, if you're making video about cars and motorcycle and giving some tutorials and review them, this category is for you. And second one is comedy. It's also part of entertainment category, but this is independent category. In this category, if you're making stand-up comedy or crack jokes or do anything funny and you upload video about it, this category is for you. And this is the third category. This is the education category. If you are a teacher or are you teaching in your channel, like you teaching some educational thing in your channel, this category is for you. And the fourth category is entertainment category. In this category, the fourth category is entertainment category. This category is for if you're making some prank video, short film or anything, you can in your video you entertain people. This category is for you. And number 5 category is film and animation. In this category, if you're making an animation video or short films or making a storytelling video, making animation, this category is for you. The fifth category is for gaming. If you have a gaming channel, you upload gaming video in your channel, give some tricks about gaming, this category is for you. And the fifth category is how to and style. So what is how to and style category? If I give you some example, now you can see this is how to category. If your video title is how to plus anything, this category is for you. This also for life hacks video like 5 minutes craft, like this category also for life hacks video like 5 minutes crafts video channel going to this category. And now next category is music category. If you upload music video or review some music or music related any video you're making in your channel, this category is for you. Now this is another category called news and politics. If you're making news video or you capture political event and upload video in your channel, this category is for you. Now there are another category, non-profits and activism. This category is for non-profit. If you don't earn money from your video, this category is for you. If I give you example like if you clean your road or do something for the society, you record the video and upload your channel, this category is for you. The next category is people and blogs. This category you can upload people's live blogs or traveling blogs in this category. You can also, if you're giving fashion tips, this category is for you. And the next one is pets and animals. If you're making video about animals like cat, dogs or anything, any animals, this category is for you. And now this one is science and technology. If you are review something like if you are review some technical like mobile, laptop or anything, and if you are creating some science experiment video, this category is for you. The next one is sports category. In this category, if you are giving a sports video in your channel like cricket, football or anything, not the gaming video. Remember this, not the gaming video. This is for trigger for field sports, not the gaming video. You are playing sports in your PC or mobile. This category is for field sport. And the last one is travel and events. So what is the travel and events category? If you are making travel vlog or give you travel tips or anything travel destination, this category is for you. So I hope you guys understand and enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel.